Welcome to episode 7 of traders selling their ass on Instagram as if it's OnlyFans. But today's feature isn't even a trader. So why are we making a video? Well, for one, he's very close with Alex G and Lambo Royale. Can you imagine that? Well, we can, because guess what he just started selling? An algo that trades for you. Did we not learn from Lambo Royale that that's fraud, for one? 2, it doesn't work. And 3, it's starting to look like the Power Rangers of Bugattis. This is insane right now, guys. It's the Power Rangers of Bugattis. We got black, we got blue, we got red. We're starting to see a pattern here. Not only that, Ethan Duran just had his house raided in Miami by Miami police or FBI. They took a bunch of stuff that was owned by him because of judgments, because he owed a lot of money for rent. I have the judgments right here. I got to read through most of it. I've only read through one. And a lot of people in Miami actually don't know who Ethan Duran is. Ethan Duran was a scammer in the tri-state. I'm from the tri-state, if you didn't know. His very close friend, Gene, was actually locked up last year for wire fraud. I'll go more into detail about that if he decides to respond. But Ethan Duran isn't even a trader. So how is he able to get this algo bot so that he can sell it to you guys and then obviously collect, and you guys are going to realize that that's fraud? Well, because he's very close friends with Lambo Royale, who's already done that, and he's very close friends with Alex. So how are non-traders doing this? Well, guys, it's Miami. So that is our special guest of traders selling their ass as if it's OnlyFans on Instagram, and he's not even a trader, but his best friends are.